Today, you will learn how to put an image behind text in Word. First, go to Insert, then click Pictures, and choose any image from your computer. After the picture appears on the page, click the image once. At the top, click Picture Format, then select Wrap Text and choose Behind Text. Now the image will move behind the words. You can click and drag the image to place it anywhere you want, and you can also use the corners to make it bigger or smaller. If you want to edit the image behind the text, just click it and use the picture format options to crop it, adjust it, or change the brightness. If you want the picture to look faded behind the text, click the image, go to Picture Format, choose Transparency, and pick a lighter option so the text stays easy to read. That's it. I hope this video helped you. Please like the video and subscribe.